Hi, it's Reinsert, and today I'll show you how to fix no SIM card detected on Samsung Galaxy A17. So first, try restarting your phone. Then if it didn't help, right here on the left side of your phone is the SIM card slot. Put something long and thin into this hole, for example needle or this, and then push. You can see the SIM card slot is now ready to open. So take it out. Okay. You can see the SIM card right here. So take a microfiber and clean this golden side right here. Gently brush it so you won't damage it, and then put it back inside this tray. So I need to okay, and now back into the phone. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like, and see you in the next one.